one. And the first, I think the most important topic of all these readings is the basic calculation of linear regression, right? So linear regression, I think at the exam day you were probably faced with the linear regression like give you a little statistical table or give you all sorts of data, and you kind of just get the useful information from that data table and do the calculation and to do the judgment of whether this regression is good or not. I think that is a very important skill as the analyst. So you are not only just passing the exam, yeah, but you kind of use that skill, equip that skill. It's bad for you in the future career. So let's just move on. Okay. So first, let's talk about the. Let me get my pen. Right. So first, let's talk about the coefficient of determination. Right. So I think it's very possible that the CFA will test your coefficient of determination. We can call that R square or coefficient of determination. Coefficient of what? Of determination. Let me just get a little smaller. We can fit more space here. Coefficient of determination. All right, and so if CFI tests you, there are a lot of test questions, a lot of quizzes we experienced, we research team reach, and most of the time it would just give you some statistical table. Okay, so the test question might give you regression statistics that give you a very long list of all these words, and you need to choose the correct words. And there is the one thing you can easily get confused is the difference between multiple R and R square. So if you encounter some problem like this, and you see there is a multiple R and R square, or something like the multiple R square, something like this, you should know the difference. Okay, so at the quizzes, we often see that they use word interchangeably. So you might get a question ask you what is the coefficient of determination, and you know that the quiz is asking about R square, which is the indicator of explaining power of this regression, and you are going to find the regression statistics. From the regression statistics, you will find that maybe there is a multiple R square. You will know that it's called R square, right? The multiple R is more like the you square that of R square. It's more or something like this. So you should know the difference, right?